Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have account access and the device in hand. This avoids accidental lockouts. Check the SIM packaging for a default PIN. Many carriers use 0000 or 1234. Then try once carefully. If the SIM already asked for PUK, stop and retrieve the PUK from your carrier account online or paperwork, because repeated wrong PIN entries can permanently block the SIM. Once you have the right code, you're ready to proceed into the phone settings to view. You now change the SIM PIN inside the phone settings. This both secures and personalizes the code. Navigate to Settings, then Security or SIM Card Settings. Phones label it differently. Select SIM Card Lock and choose Change SIM PIN. Enter the current PIN once. You'll be prompted to type a new 4 to 8-digit code and confirm it. Make sure the new PIN is memorable but not obvious. Once done, test by toggling lock off and on so you know the PIN works before relying on it. If you reach 3 incorrect PIN attempts, you'll need the PUK, personal unlocking key, from your carrier account or support. Enter it exactly as provided. After a correct PUK, the phone prompts you to set a new SIM PIN, so choose and confirm a secure code. If the PUK is wrong or missing, contact your carrier immediately. Some carriers can issue a replacement SIM if it's permanently blocked. One key troubleshooting tip: take screenshots or record the new PIN location in a secure password manager so you don't repeat this problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.